Hi. I just came into work, okay guys? Alright? I couldn't do this hairstyle at home because I wanted to comb it out for work today, okay? So you just gonna have to, well, this is not my work attire. You're just gonna have to deal with me being at work, okay? So if I get a call, y'all understand, right? Y'all gonna come with me on my call, alright? No?
Nope.
Alright. Okay, I'm back. This is gonna be a quick video because I gotta make sure I do all this before I get a call on the radio. But I found out what that silk purple scarf was for. Let me show you. My sister let me know this is probably what it's used for, to lay down your edges or whatnot. But I already have something underneath, so let me take it off. Ugh, I know. I look so sexy. But yep, I think this is what this is for. I think you put it here and it says LuvMe Hair. That's really nice. I love that. But I already had laid my edges down at home, and whatever edges I had left, because my sister cornrowed my hair and I forgot to tell her, hey, you know, sis, leave a little hair out in the front. And yeah, so I brought the hair. I'm gonna put it on here because I didn't want to comb it out at home, and you know, I was like, I have to do it while I'm at work so I can do it on camera. But here's my leopard edge control. Y'all like that? Isn't that cool? So let me take this off. I already did it. Whatever hair I had, I already did it at home, so I won't be using you on camera, sorry. I'm definitely gonna wash this, but I needed to wear it for today and it was late. I didn't have time to wash it and do all that because I wanted to record that. And also I want to dye the ends of this, so I will be doing that. But for today, she's gonna be worn just like this. Well, combed out. So I do have that little wig cap on. That thing don't want to stay on my noggin. My sister braided the heck out of my hair though. Y'all see how neat that is? So since the braid, I tried on the wig last night, and the braid does show a little. That's just gonna how my hair is gonna be. It's gonna have a little braid in the front, like it's meant to look like. But look, don't slide off, cap. Come on now, you gotta do your part too. So once again, this is what the cap looks like on the inside, and it has the two flaps that keep getting stuck. The Velcro keeps getting stuck. So let me put you on. You know, this stupid wig thing is. I'm just gonna take it off because it just doesn't fit. It just slides right. Oh gosh, girl. I'm looking a little Queen Latifah set it off in here.
Cleo! Sit!
I'm just gonna have to do it without a wig cap because it just keeps sliding off and it defeats the purpose. So let's put this on. Ooh. The cap is a little small. I do have a pea head when I take all that hair off my head, so I thought I had a water head. Turns out I have a pea head. That's good. So it has combs. Let me use the comb. And there's combs up here. Right here. And is there, oh God. Not all wig things have combs here, here, and here. They either have one here and one here. They don't care about your size.
Nope.
I'm just saying. Oh yeah, that is on there. Push it. Do want my little, yeah, I want that, yeah. That's right, yeah. So I should just leave it like this, right? So the headband I chose for today was the Army. I don't know why, I just picked it. I could have chose the beige or whatnot, but I just chose the Army. I'm gonna put that on first because I feel once this hair gets fluffy, it's going to be interesting. How am I gonna put it over without really messing it up? That was so easy to put on too. Yeah, I feel like I'm in the Army now. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay, so I have a little bit of water mixed with conditioner. Just, I don't know. Just so it's not so dry. I'm just gonna spray. I'm scared, y'all. I am so scared. I don't know what this is gonna turn out to look like. And this, oh, that smells good. I have brought the Deeper Than Hair detox bath and conditioner set from Deeper Than Hair TV, and my Gosh, when I tell you that stuff works, because I have dandruff. Y'all see my dandruff. Y'all know if you watch my videos.
Nope.
That stuff cleaned the heck out of my scalp, and it felt so good. It smelled like peppermint, and so does the conditioner. That smells like pure peppermint. But let's try to comb this. Oh my, it combs so easily, guys. Oh, it's gonna be fluffy. Yeah. Hey, okay. Let's see what you're working with, Headband Wig. Y'all notice if you watch my videos, I never do kinky curly. I always do the Jerry curl or whatever. No, not Jerry. This is Jerry curl. Duh. The traditional wet and wavy look. This is not wet and wavy. This is kinky curly. I probably should have wet it a little bit more, but I think this is good. Yes, I feel like Diana Ross. Okay. Does have a factory smell though. It's not bad, but you know, they do tell you to wash it in instructions first, so that's maybe why. But let me spray a little bit more in the back of my hair. Yeah. This detangler brush really combs through it very easily. I even used it on my own hair, and it really detangled it very well. I must say so, if I do say so myself. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm getting it back. I'm sorry if I look like I'm butchering the hair. I'm not, trust me. It's very soft. If y'all want to know, it's not stiff. Not for a split second. There's nothing. It's not stiff at all. I didn't want to fully comb it out because I wanted a little pattern. So soft. It's like real. I mean, this is real human hair. Sorry if someone donated it, but it's so soft. The benefits of doing your hair in a video at work. So I love how flexible this hair is. It can go here, anywhere. People do that bun and everything. I love that. So I'm not doing too much experimenting because I am at work. So it's not like I have time to really mess around with it. But this is actually very nice. I'm not, like I said, not much shedding, but y'all, I like this. Only thing that's missing is freaking like a color at the end. I don't want to dye it blonde. I just want like that dark brown color at the end. That would look so nice. I think it would look good. This hair is extremely soft. My thoughts on it, I love it. Okay, obviously. But the 16-inch, I'm thinking it's gonna be like the picture. No, if you guys want longer hair, I suggest you go 18 to 20. That's the hair is gonna come down here. For 16-inch, this looks like a 14-inch, but this is 16-inch crimped up, you know. So if you guys want the hair to be like down to here, I would recommend 18 or 20 inch. It keeps getting higher. I forgot how high it goes up to, but I would recommend getting the longer one. This is actually perfect. I did want it a little longer, but this is actually perfect for me. So this is what it looks like in the back. What the 16-inch looks like in the back. I think this is perfect for me. You know, a lot of people like long hair, but for me, this is actually good. I do want to put color at the end of it, so. And I didn't wash the hair yet, so we'll see. Once I wash the hair, how it's gonna start to look. So I'll see you guys when I'm ready to dye this hair and wash it and stuff. But for now, this looks good. I'll probably be back in another video because, yeah, I don't know when we get to that. But I wanted to get this one out quicker so you can see what it looks like before I dye it, okay? Okay. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button down below. Sure, I want my coworkers to hear me doing this outro, you know what I'm saying? If you're watching and you're not subscribed, subscribe for us, sister, okay? So you can see more of me and more of my weird content, because you know y'all like me. I got 10% of my subscribers watching my videos. But this is for the 10%. How y'all doing? Thank y'all for supporting me. I need it. I need it so much. But until then, I see you guys in my next hair video when I dye this hair. Okay? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.